Di mana negara? Di mana partai politik ketika mereka meminta suara kita? Oleh karena itu Partai Buruh harus memperbaiki ini. Ketuk pintu-pintu rumah rakyat. Ketuk hati mereka. Kerja, kerja dan terus bekerja. Untuk memenangkan Partai Buruh. Kita belajar nanti dari kawan-kawan pembija internasional. Selamat mengikuti seminar internasional. Kita beri aplaus sekali lagi untuk para speaker.
Pengalaman tertindas, kita punya pengalaman dikecewakan oleh rezim. Tinggal pertanyaannya kemudian adalah bagaimana kita mengkonversi, bagaimana kita memanfaatkan pengalaman-pengalaman ini untuk menang, untuk kita merebut kekuasaan di basis-basis perjuangan kita masing-masing.
So it's better for us to learn from each other, because what I want to do is not to teach you guys, but to share our experiences, and hopefully in our deliberation, in our open forum, I could also learn a lot from you in return. It's not enough that you engage in elections by campaigning externally. We should also campaign internally. And one thing we immediately found out is that majority of the members of our political party are not registered to vote. So good luck to all of us. So if things go right according to how we plan it and how we envision it, we are going to field Risa Hontiveros as our presidential candidate. Hopefully, we will have our first democratic socialist president in the Philippines. Cross our fingers, and with your prayers and support, we will be fielding more senators, more congressional representatives, and of course, local government officials. So I guess my last message is, if we can do this, I'm sure that you can do this a lot better. You're bigger than us, you are stronger than us. I am sure you'll also get there. Thank you.
Thank you.
We have failures of institution in terms of democratic delivery. In short, there is democratic backsliding. And number three, of course, there is gender injustice in Indonesia and among political movements. You know the history of Lula as a union leader who became the president of Brazil. But you would see in the picture also that it is the Workers' Party who had invited the different sectors, political movements, to come together and build a program for the future, because they are up against the far right, they are up against the